Hello friends. Now we can take the dimension and change how can change the dimension styles. Now we can draw a circle or rectangle. Suppose this is the rectangle and this is the circle. Now take the dimension. How can take the dimension? Dimension, this is the dimension tool. Linear dimension अगर हमें लेनी है तो first हम this point and this then select this point and then this is the dimension. The dimension size is very short. Then now change the dimension style. For changing the dimension style we take this, annotate dimension style, text style, sorry. For this we going to annotate and then select manage dimension style, modify. Now the text, if we can increase the text size, then select text height. We text height would 1 and then OK, close. Now the text size is increase. This is now short, then we increase again the dimension, manage dimension style, modify text size to enter, OK, close. This is the increase of the dimension style. Dimension text size increases. Now we can another dimension styles, modify. If the line of the color change, how can change this? So red, the dimension line color is red. Line type, what type of line you will be selected other. If you cannot select it, then you can also choose this dimension style and then select and then OK. But we not do not select here. Now line weight, if you can the dimension line weight is increased, then you can choose this. Extend beyond dimension line, this is not used in this. Baseline spacing is, this is the space between this. Now you can select this one, enter. Baseline spacing is this. Dimension line stress, if we can check this, then one side a dimension line is stressed. This type, this is the line stress. If we can second, then second side stress. If extension line color changes, how can change? We can green, then extension line color is change. Same extension line type we will change. Extend beyond dimension line, if we change this one, enter. This after extend beyond dimension line, the is increase. Offset from origin, this is the distance between this gap, one, enter. We can choose two, enter. This is the, and then increases. Offset from origin we will select one, enter. This gap is 1, then OK, close. Then also changing dimension. Now we can again manage dimension style, modify. Now we change the symbol size, because the arrow size is not showing in the drawing, symbol and arrows. If the you can change the dimension, you can change the arrow style, then you will choose any. Then this arrow size is increased 1, enter. This is showing, but and you are also increase again 2. Now you will choose second type. Second, the one type is closed blank and second dot. If you will change the close leader style, then you can also this. Arrow size, you will change the center mark size. If you can select line, then only line. If you can select mark, then only mark. If you can increase the mark size, suppose 1 increase, then the size of the center mark is increased. Break size, we will take the dimension break, then we will increase this size here. Now arc line symbol above dimension text non, so we will select preceding dimension. Jog angle, jog angle, if you will increase or decrease the dimension here. Suppose we will jog angle text height 1, close. Now how can jog this place, we will choose the jog. Now this is the jog. Now how can increase the size? Standards, manage dimension style, modify. Jog height factor, we will increase 5. Okay, close. This is the jog height factor is change. Dimension style, modify. Now we will change the how I can also change the jog angle. Now we will take the text style, text color. This is the white. If we will change, suppose blue, then this is the text color is changed. Fill color, we will yellow. Then change this. And text height, we will also increase or decrease. Suppose 5. This is the text height increases. Now text height is 2. Increase, then the text height is this. So we will 5, enter. Draw frame around text. If the text is in round frame, then this text is closed in the frame. Text placement centered or above. This is the change above. Outside, outside, this below the text. Then changing this. So we will change the centered, horizontal, extension line, extension line 1, extension line 2 के करीब, over extension line, over extension line 2. So we will select the centered. Left to right. Now this is the left to right. If right to left, then the text is rotate. Now this left to right, we will select. Offset from dimension line, we will change the offset from dimension line. We will text the suppose 2, enter. Then the gap between the two, horizontal aligned with dimension line. Now this select, we will select the horizontal. Fit, now we will select the fit in the arrow. If the arrow is selected, then arrow is outer side fit. If we will select text, then the text is in outer side, and the arrow is in the both text and both arrows. Both text and arrows are also outside. Always keep the text between extension line. Text between the extension line is selected. Suppress arrows if they do not fit inside extension line. Now suppress the arrows because the space between this is less. Now we will uncheck scale dimension of layout. Use overall scale of, if overall scale is increases, suppose 2, enter. Now all the thing, text height, line, uh, everything is scale factor is changed. Now we will select is 1, enter. Now we will change the primary unit formats is also changed here. Scientific, decimal, engineering, you can also select our your coding. Precision, what is your precision? We will select decimal. Precision, you can also select after points value is 0. राउंड ऑफ, आफ्टर राउंड ऑफ अगर कितना चाहिए आपको. Scale factor, we will change the scale factor measurement scale. If we will select 2, then the dimension is double. This is the okay. Zero suppressions, if we will around the 0, then 0 is press, leading, leading before the points and trailing after the points is 0. Then this is the change. Unit formats, you can any select the unit formats precisions. You can any select precision for this is the precision. Angular dimension for, because the dimension is angular dimension. Same leading, trailer. Now alternate units we will select, then display alternate units. We will change all this here, and tolerance is, if we will give the tolerance plus and minus, what will be the above value and minus value? Non symmetrical. Then the text height is less precision value, point 0 or 0. Then the also changes in this scale for heights. Scaling for heights is, we will also change or increase or decreases. Upper value and lower value selected. Upper value and lower value is also changed this, because suppose 0.5, enter. Now upper and lower value is also changed, no, plus minus 1. Now okay, and then close. Then also change in the drawing is dimension of now center line, center mark. We will select the center. Then the center mark is very high. Now we can change the in the center mark. Manage, modify, text, lines, center mark is 0.1, and okay, close. Now the center mark is this. Now erase e, enter, a double l all, enter or enter. Now we can erase, and thanks. Please subscribe our channels. Thank you.